Hi, this is Jaime Lee from Sim Regional Library. Today I would like to introduce you to cool, fun watercolor techniques. All you need something you find in the kitchens, like salt, sugar, cling wrap, also watercolor paint set, paintbrush, container. So the first technique I will show you just simple regular technique for watercolors. So what we do, just apply paint onto a surface. Notice how colors set in just solid. The next technique called wet on wet, meaning apply water to paper first, then paint over. You can see the difference between wet on dry and wet on wet techniques. Notice how the colors start moving nicely. The next technique we'll talk about is salt. So this sample was done with salt. So what we do, the next one is to apply water to paper. It works best if you apply salt to wet paint. So now I'm ready to sprinkle salt onto this wet paint. Notice how salt starts absorbing all this pigment and form a nice effect. It would be wonderful for when you paint a landscape for background. The next technique we'll take a look at it is this one down here. This one done with sugar, water, and paint. So here I have mixtures of 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of warm water. You want to make sure they mix well together before you use. So what I do next is to go ahead and apply these sugar waters onto the surface. Then apply paint over. And notice how sugars react with paint. we let that dry. Let's move on to the last technique, which is print wrap. These are some samples. They're done with the print wrap. So again, wet your paper with just regular water. Then apply paint over. Now when you're ready, take print wrap and you want to crumple a little bit to give you a nice effect finish. So you basically lay this wrap on top of wet paint. You can put something heavy on top like book and let it dry at least 24 hours. So that concludes all the techniques that we showed here on the sample. So I hope you enjoy watching all these techniques today. If you are interested to learn more about watercolor techniques, please feel free to check this book out, and you can go online, place item on hold, and we can do a curbside pickup for patrons. Thank you for watching today, and hope you have a great day.